Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session we will be studying another 9 syllables from here to there. As page number 10 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. And this slide is just for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. So the first 3 syllables are about the letter Dha. Dha is one of the heavy letters. ضا فتحة ضا ضا فتحة ضا ضا كسرة ضي ضا كسرة ضي ضا ضمة ضو ضا ضمة ضو ضا ضي ضو ضا ضي ضو. The next 3 syllables are for the letter Dhal, and Dhal is one of the light letters. Dhal fatha dha, Dhal fatha dha, Dhal kasra dhi, Dhal kasra dhi, Dhal dhamma dhu, Dhal dhamma dhu, Dha dhi dhu, Dha dhi dhu. The next 3 syllables are for the letter Tha, and Tha is one of the light letters. Tha fatha tha, Tha fatha tha, Tha kasra thi, Tha kasra thi, Tha dhamma thu, Tha dhamma thu, Tha thi thu, Tha thi thu. So the next 3 slides would be without spellings. Dha dhi dhu, Dha dhi dhu, Dha dhi dhu, Dha dhi dhu, Tha thi thu, Tha thi thu. That's the end of this session. We will practice those 9 syllables 10 times in the next session, inshallah, without explanation, just to give you enough practice. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.